Hello everyone and welcome to Architecting Cloud Computing Solutions on Microsoft Azure. My name is Shimon Ifra. In this video course, I will show you how to architect cloud computing solutions on Microsoft Azure Cloud Platform. Before I start, I would like to tell you about myself. I'm an IT professional and author with 16 years of experience in the IT and DevOps industry. I'm also 22 times Microsoft certified professional in various Microsoft technologies. In the last 10 years, I have published technical blog posts and books about Azure and Microsoft server products. About this course. In this course, I will cover the following topics. In section 1, I will talk about various types of cloud computing platforms. In section 2, I will cover how to design service resiliency in Microsoft Azure. In section 3, I will show you how to design and deploy VM IIS environment. And in section 4, I will talk about getting started with platform as a service. In section 5, we will talk about containerized applications with Microsoft Azure AKS. Section 6 will show you how to secure your Microsoft Azure tenant. And in the last section, I will talk about how to manage identities with Microsoft Azure Active Directory. In this course, we will learn about availability zones in Microsoft Azure, how to design and deploy an AKS cluster, how to use RBAC to control and manage permissions on Azure, how to create users and groups for Azure administration. The requirements for this course are hands-on and working experience with Microsoft Azure. I also recommend you view my previous packed hands-on course on how to build and deploy web applications on Microsoft Azure.